In this video, we are doing a masking in Photoshop, and we have two images, mountain image and this is an another planet image. Select the planet image, Ctrl A for select all, and copy it, Ctrl C, and just paste it over the mountain image. Okay, now resize as per your requirement. So I am transforming the image likewise, so you can check the size as per your, just enter and drag that image below the mountain image there. Okay, now just add the layer mask from the layer panel. You will get a white solid layer mask nearby the mountain layer, and select the brush tool and select the foreground color black. Okay, and just make the brush a little bit bigger. Okay, by pressing the Ctrl and plus button, you can make the size of your brush bigger, and you can erase the background of the mountain layer while just dragging your brush over it. Okay, this way area of that layer from which you want to reveal. Okay, okay, so it's so this way we are selected, and just inverse it and make the selection as per your preference. Okay, and just deselect it. Now you will see the sharp edge for the mountain, so you can just make it like little transparent or little smoothness applying the brush tool. Okay, that white pixels, just you blend it with the another image, or just selecting mask layer by you use that black foreground color and remove that white pixels from there. Okay, so this way you can also use the layer masking in Photoshop and blend multiple layers and create a very creative backgrounds in Photoshop, or creative scenery in Photoshop. It's a simple and it's very beautiful imagery we can create in Photoshop while using the mask layer.